I want you to take a look at this map. This shows how many toddlers in the Las Vegas area were vaccinated in 2017. So the darker shade of blue shows up to 80% got their shots, and then fewer in that lighter shade of blue. So there's a good amount of parents who don't vaccinate their kids, but a lot of them don't like to talk about it. One mom told me today she doesn't even talk about it with her friends because it's become so controversial. Most of the people who agreed to an interview also agree with vaccinations.
I am for vaccinating children.
It really helps prevent the spread of disease.
Immunizations.
Those are all parents and grandparents who say it's hard to believe some moms and dads don't vaccinate their kids.
I wonder what's going on in the head.
I'm saddened by that.
Kathy Trahan has 2 kids and works in a school.
Things can really spread, and I do know that people do sign a form that says for medical or religious reasons we're refusing the vaccinations, but I do think that it does put children at risk.
Brandon Stark doesn't think so.
I'm against them.
That's his son Bryson in his arms. He's almost 2 and hasn't had any vaccinations.
Except for the minimum ones when they're born. To come into this world, they have to have those.
I talked to dozens of parents Tuesday afternoon. Stark was one of a handful of anti-vaxxers.
I'm uneducated on the things that are in the vaccines, for one, and he's fine right now, so I'm cool with not having them done.
They're part of a growing trend in Nevada.
Putting a chemical in our kids should be a personal choice.
71% of toddlers are vaccinated for diseases like measles and polio. That's down from the year before, but still ahead of the national average. There was a big drop among Nevada kindergartners last year. In public schools, 96 to 93%, and in private schools, 93 to 87% vaccinated. But the health department is confident those vaccinations can prevent death, not cause it.
If you can prevent that, isn't that the best thing that you can do for your children?
The measles outbreak in Washington already spread out of state. There's always a worry it could spread here.
This is an opportunity to remind people to come in and get their vaccines, get them up to date.
Now, it's not all or nothing for some parents. For example, I talked to quite a few who told me their kids got the measles and mumps shot, but not the flu shot. Reporting live, Kylie Gaylor, Fox 5 News, local Las Vegas.